Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start with safety. Park on level ground, set the parking brake, and turn off ignition. Open the hood and disconnect the negative battery terminal for 1 minute to prevent shorts. Gather tools, 10 mm socket with ratchet, flat screwdriver, gloves, and replacement bulb. For 2015 GMC Sierra low beam, use H11, and high beam often uses 9005. Confirm your model. Working with gloves prevents oils transferring to the bulb glass, which can cause hot spots and early failure. Plan on about 20 minutes per side. Locate the headlight access area in the engine bay behind the headlight assembly. Work on one side at a time. If a plastic cover or retainer blocks access, remove the 2 plastic clips or the single 10 mm bolt holding the trim. Reach behind the housing, feel the bulb socket, squeeze any retaining tabs, then rotate the socket counterclockwise about 1/4 turn. Pull the socket straight out. The bulb will come free with the socket. Inspect the socket and wiring for corrosion or damage before installing the new bulb. Unpack the replacement bulb, handle by the plastic base only. Do not touch the glass with bare hands. If you accidentally touch the glass, clean it with isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth. Insert the bulb into the socket, align the tabs, then push straight in and rotate the socket clockwise until it locks. Reinstall any trim or fasteners, reconnect the negative battery terminal, and turn on the headlights to test. Check beam pattern and aim on a wall about 5 meters away, and allow 5 minutes for thermal stabilization before final adjustment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.